How's it going? I'm Steve from Marine Depot Direct, and today we're going to talk about this new ladder. So this is a great Gunwale ladder from Whitewater Marine Hardware. This is a fold flat version, as you can tell, because it's currently folded and it's pretty flat. That means that you're going to have a lot of extra storage room and storage options for it. Now you can get some clips and store it on a wall, but this is thin enough to where you can store it in a closet or a compartment, wherever is most convenient for you. Now, because it's from Whitewater, it's built to ABYC 41 standards. That means that this thing can hold up to 400 pounds, which is very good. Fold flat design. This is the L9 version. That means that these standoffs are 9 inches, and they're going to give you that extra little bit of a slope. They're also going to give you some room to cut them down. They have an extra couple inches from the standard B00368 version of this ladder, and it comes with mounting brackets. So these are the plates. You want to install these first, and then you want to put the mounting bracket directly over it. That way it's not constantly scratching your deck every single time you take this on and off, because who wants that? You're going to put some holes in there anyway just to do it. Why add some scratches there in between? When it's not folded flat and you want to deploy it, you want to go around and you want to twist these around. Now, this ladder does take a little bit of force because you don't want these things flopping willy-nilly, because that could be a safety hazard. It's also an inconvenience if you're trying to carry it and these things are just flopping left and right anyway. So there's a little bit of friction, but you saw I did it with one hand, so it's not that bad. When it's deployed, this is the 4-step, so it's got a nice bit of depth there for you. I know I can't show you the whole thing because my space is limited, but it's a nice big ladder at a very reasonable price point. And then to store it, there you go. Additionally, because people like options, depends on what side you dock your boat on, depends on what side you want the ladder deployed on. You can purchase additional mounting brackets. You could have mounting brackets every 5 feet if you want. I don't know why, but hey, you can. It's your boat. So, this is the B00368L9. I put a link in the description. There's the SKU. And you can always hit up our fantastic people at Marine Depot Direct for questions or comments, or leave a comment on this video, and we'll see what we can do. But thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I'll see you in the next video.